Elephant brooch video tutorial. Let's take a look at its brooch buckle. Just press both sides to load it up. And let's take a look at our elephant. Compare it with our artwork area. It actually has a solid wire. We need to cut out the solid line. The dotted line is because our ear is dangling. So it's a dotted line. After getting our artwork, you can take a picture of its graphics with your mobile phone first. Because a nose like ours, if the whole piece is poked, the shape of his nose is invisible. So let's either look at the elephant in our picture or just read this manuscript taken on our phone. Let's take out the scissors first. Cut out the solid line first. This is what we want to fix as a whole. The left ear is connected to the head, so we cut this piece together. Cut by solid line. The right ear is dangling. We don't need to cut. Next, take out our foam table. There are 3 poking needles inserted next to the foam table. There will be anti-rust oil on the poke needle. We need paper towels. Rub the anti-rust oil off the poke needle. Here we go. We're going to put our elephant on fabric. Take out light blue wool. Pay attention to pulling in the same direction when pulling. Then lay it out. Pinch it. The thickness should be uniform. Cover it with on the fabric of our elephants. Next, we take the poke needle. Vertically lower the needle and pull it out vertically. Just pull out the needle diagonally. Let the wool stick to the fabric. If the needle is pulled straight and diagonally, it is easy to break the needle. And look at the bottom. Keep poking it. We're constantly lifting our fabric up. If you don't lift it up, it sticks to the foam table. And then we follow the weaving line. This edge line goes to remove excess wool. Fold it in little by little. The hems are poked until the bottom is fixed. And then we go along this one. This is where the ears are. We're going to poke it into shape by going along this edge line. The position of the upper ear is a little recessed. We're going to fix it in this position. It recessed because our fabric has a shape. And now we have our basic form. But it's not thick enough. We continue to lay the wool on top to make our brooch have a thickness in. Not too thin and easy to deform. The wool must be leveled. In this way, the poked surface will be neat. Again, pull back the extra wool. The approximate thickness is about 5 to 7 millimeters. After the thickness is about the same, we continue to poke. Take the shape of the edge and poke it out. And we need to poke it tighter. Distinguish the position of the head and ears. Then we poke the middle part tightly. Next, we need to change the position of the ears and head. Make a point. Differentiate the middle one and poke all the way down. It will form a depression. Now we're basically taking the head of an elephant and the left ear. It's fixed. Then we go again. Take light blue wool. Poke out this half of the ear. We can refer to it as a shape of the dotted ear here. Fold the wool together. The same to be torn apart. The thickness should be uniform. Fold it in half and then jab it. Shape while poking. The position next to it is slightly dented. And we can compare that a little bit. It's a size. That's about it. Then we continue to put. It pokes tightly and flat. Position stamp on the edge. Uniform. After the position of the ears is fixed, let's compare the sizes. The size is okay. We are about the same. Next, we're going to poke birth blue in the ear. Take a small amount of dark blue. Fix the shape on the foam table. Then poke out a color of the elephant's ear socket. after fixing the cochlea. Next, we will remove the excess wool next to it. If there are too many, you can tear some off. Then fix it in the head position. When fixing, tear the unfelted wool apart and pick open on top. Put it on this face. Then the opened wool is poked tightly and flat. Next, we take out dark blue poking nose. Dark blue is long when taken. Fix the shape on the foam table first. And then we follow the dotted line of our nose. You can refer to the pictures we took, or elephant pictures on drawings. Go and fix our noses up. Pay attention when fixing. You need to grasp the shape yourself. Then this root of the leather nose to be in the middle of our elephant's head. If it is not uniform enough, some thin and some thick positions, we just add some wool in the thin position. Then continue to poke and shape him. And then next we take the light blue. Poke out the texture on the nose. Just take a little bit of dyed wool. Next, we take out the black. Poke out the eyeballs. If it's black, you only need a little bit, and you crumple it up. Fix the eyes in position. Next, we take out peach pink. Take a small amount of peach pink. Knead into a ball. Poke out blush. If so, one of our elephant's brooches is done. So let's take a look. One installation of the brooch buckle at the bottom of us. Let's put it on the back first. Then take out our brooch accessories. Then we glue stick, scalding it with fire. Then take our pointed one. Apply a little glue. Fix to the head of the brooch, a little bit up the middle. Then press it with your hand. Wait until our glue dries. Then we take the same. Light blue. Wool. Use a poke needle to first poke the middle part tightly and flat. The middle should be poked tightly. Then cover it with the top of one of our brooches. Position of the tip. Poke it out. Remove the excess wool. If it's too long, you can tear some off. And then the next one. Poke our wool flat and firm. The needle should be shallower. Don't poke deep. If you poke it deeply, comes out of the bottom. So we need subsurface needles. Until all our wool is poked firmly. That's it. Ha ha ha! Just poke it tightly. Then we'll try it and see if it can be buckled. If it's okay, and we're done with an elephant brooch buckle.